My name's Giuseppe.
Hi, my name's Sophia. Today we're gonna learn how to make paper.
You get other pieces of paper and then we start ripping paper and not too big of pieces.
You put them all in one bowl.
Then we put it in the blender and then we put a little bit of water and then
You blend it a little and you put some things in that you want. Glitter you can put in if you want it. You pour it into a frame that's in a bucket of water. You spread it out, make sure it's nice and even, and you kind of get to put stuff in that you want.
like you put flower petals or you can add a little more paper. You take it out of it and then you let all the water come out of it. You sponge it.
You put it on the towel, then you sponge it again on two different sides a couple times. You put blotting paper on the bottom of your other colorful paper. You have to wait overnight, and then after overnight, you just peel the blotting paper off and it's nice and dry, and that's your paper that you made all by yourself.